Hello students, in this video we will learn the problems based on section formula, right? Find the coordinates of points which trisect the line segment joining 1, -2 and -3, 4. Clear? Suppose these are 2 points, 1, -2 and -3, 4. Clear? So this line segment AB divided into 3 equal parts by 2 given points C and D. So we should find the coordinates of the points C and D. Clear? So for this, let AC equal to K. It means AC equal to CD equal to BD or also be equal K. Clear? Now for coordinates of C. Here AC is K. Then BC will be twice of K, right? Means M1 is K and M2 will be twice K. Now C, coordinates of C. Let x comma b. So Cx comma y will be using section formula for internal division m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2 comma m1 by 2 plus m2 by 1 upon m1 plus m2, right? Now value of m1 is k and x2 is -3 plus m2 is twice of k and x1 is 1 upon k plus twice of k, right? Comma k into value of y2 of 4 plus m2 is twice of k and m1 is y1 is -2 upon k plus twice of k. So here -3k plus twice of k upon 3k comma this is 4k minus 4k upon 3k, right? So this will become minus k upon 3k comma this is 0 upon 3k, right? So this will become -1 by 3 comma 0. So coordinates of C will be -1 by 3 comma 0. Clear? Cx comma y means coordinates of C will be -1 upon 3 comma 0. Now for coordinates of D. So here D is the midpoint of BC. D is midpoint of BC. So using midpoint formula, coordinates of midpoint formula is dx comma y equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. So coordinates of C are -1 by 3 comma 0. So this is x1, this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So now using coordinates x1 x2, So this is minus 1 by 3, and here x2 is minus 3. Right? And upon 2, comma y1 is 0 and y2 is 4. So 0 plus 4 by 2. So this will become minus 1 minus 9 upon this is 2 into 3, right? Comma this is 4 by 2. So this will become minus 10 by 2 into 3. Clear? Minus this is comma 2. So coordinates of D will be minus 5 by 3 comma 2. Clear? Now our next question is, in what ratio does the x-axis divide the line segment joining the points 2 comma minus 3 and 5 comma 6? Also find the coordinates of the point of intersection. So the points are A comma B, or this is A 2 comma minus 3, and coordinates of B are suppose 5 comma 6. Clear? So in what ratio does the x-axis divide the line this? It means this line segment divides x-axis, means y coordinate will be 0. At x-axis y will be 0. So the point on x-axis y coordinate will be 0. So y equal to 0. Y coordinate will be m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So this is 0. Now value of m1 y1 is, so this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So value of y1 is minus 3 plus m2, value of y1 y2 is 6, this is 6, and m2 y1 is minus 3 upon m1 plus m2 equal to 0. So this is 6 m1 plus minus 3 m2, and this will become 0. So 6 m1 minus 3 m2 equal to 0. So 6 m1 will be 3 m2. Clear? Now m1 by m2 equal to 3 by 6. So this is 1 by 2. Means the x-axis divide this line segment in the ratio 1:2. So ratio is 1:2. Clear? This is the first answer. And also find the coordinates of the point of intersection. So for coordinates of point of intersection, so here m1 and m2 are 1 and 2. Now for the coordinates of intersection point, so this will become x comma y equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Clear? So value of m1 is 1 and x2, coordinates of x2 is 5 plus m2 is 2 and x1 is 2 upon m1 plus m2 means 1 plus 2. So this will become 5 plus 4 means 9. 9 by 3. So this is 3. So the coordinate and y coordinate is 0. Y coordinate is 0. So the coordinates of point of intersection. Coordinates of point of intersection. Be 3, 0. Right? So x, y is 3, 0. Clear? Now our next question is, in what ratio does the y-axis divide the line segment joining the point? This is y-axis. Does the y-axis divide the line segment joining the point P minus 4, 5 and Q 3, minus 7? Also find the point of intersection. Clear? So suppose this is x-axis and this is y-axis, right? So in this question, what ratio does the y-axis divide the line segment? Y-axis means this y-axis. Divide the line segment minus 4, minus 4, 5. Suppose minus 4, 5 is here. Minus 4, 5 and 3, minus 7. 3, suppose this is 3, minus 7. This. So this point of intersection. So at y-axis the x coordinate will be 0, right? Here x coordinate will be 0. So x equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, right? So this segment will be m1 and this will be m2. So x is 0 and m1 x2, value of x2 is, this is x1 by 1, this is x2 by 2, so x2 is 3 plus m2 x1, x1 is minus 4 upon m1 plus m2. So this is 0 equal to 3m1 minus 4m2 upon m1 plus m2. So this will become 3m1 minus 4m2 equal to 0, right? So 3m1 equal to 4m2. Clear? So m1 upon m2 equal to 4 by 3. It means y-axis divide the line segment this AB. This is B point. So this AB segment in the ratio 4:3, right? So this segment will be 4 times and this will be 3 times. Means this point divides this whole line segment in the ratio 4:3, right? Means m1 ratio m2 is 4:3. Now for the coordinates of point of intersection, so here y coordinate will be m1 by 2 plus m2 by 1 upon m1 plus m2. Clear? So m1 is 4 and y2 is minus 7 plus m2 is 3 and y1 is 5 upon m1 plus m2 means 4 plus 3. So this will become minus 28 plus 15, right, upon 7. So this will become minus 13 by 7. Clear? So the coordinates of this point of intersection, so coordinates will be x comma y will be 0 comma minus 13 by 7, right? This is our required answer. Now our next question is, in this question, in what ratio does the point this divide the line segment joining the point this? Clear? So here point of intersection coordinates are given and the ratio is not given. So we should find in what ratio, means ratio will be m1 and m2. Clear? So the coordinates of points A and B, suppose this is A, are 3 comma 5 and coordinates of B are minus 3 comma minus 2. Clear? Suppose this point C, 3 by 5 comma 1 by 11 by 5. So we should find the ratio of m1 m2. Clear? So we know that coordinates of intersection, internally division of intersection point, so x coordinate will be m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. So x coordinate is given 3 by 5 equal to m1 x2 is minus 3 plus m2 x1 is 3 upon m1 plus m2. Clear? Now this will become 3 by 5 equal to minus 3m1 plus 3m2 upon m1 plus m2. Clear? Now multiply by this quantity, cross multiplication, then you will get 3 times of m1 plus m2 equal to, this is 5 bracket minus 3m1 plus 3m2. So here m1 plus m2 equal to, this is 5 and this is minus m1 plus m2, taking 3 as common. Now 3 cancel. So this will become m1 plus m2 equal to minus 5m1 and this is plus 5m2. Clear? Now this 5m1 transferred left side, then you will get m1 plus 5m1. Clear? And this is 5m2 minus m2. So you will get 6m1 equal to 4m2. Clear? So m1 by m2 will be 4 by 6. So this is 2 by 3. So this point C divide the line segment into 2 ratio 3, means this 2, this is 3. So m1 ratio m2 is 2 ratio 3. That's your required answer. Now next, if the point of C minus 1 comma 2 divides the internally the line segment A 2 comma 5 and B 3 comma, coordinates of B, suppose this is our A point, 2 comma 5 and this is B, suppose this is x comma y. Clear? And coordinates of C are given minus 1 comma 2. Clear? And ratio m1 m2 is given 3 by 4, sorry 3 and 4. So we know that x equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. So here x coordinate, this is x. So x coordinate is given -1 equal to m1 is 3 and x2, value of x2, this is x2 y2 and x1 y1. So x2 is x plus m2 x1, m2 is 4 and x1 is 2 upon 3 plus 4. So this is -1 equal to 3x plus 8 upon 7. Cross multiply, then you will get -7 equal to 3x plus 8. So this will become 3x equal to -7 minus 8 minus 15. So x will become -5. Clear? Now y coordinate is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So m1 is 3 and y2 is y plus m2 is 4 and y1 is 5, 4 upon m1 plus m2. So this is 3 plus 4. Y coordinate is given 2. So 2 equal to, this is 3y plus 20 y7. So this is 14 equal to 3y plus 20. Right? So this is 3y equal to 14 minus 20. So 3y equal to how much? -6. So y will become -2. So coordinates of B, x comma y equal to -5 comma -2. That's your required answer. Thank you.